What if something as simple as tree trimming and removal could revolutionize your property? Unkept trees can cause a series of problems like damage to your house, blockage of views, dangerous branches, and unutilized space. Trimmed, shaped, and neat trees not only enhance the aesthetics of your property, but dramatically increase its value too. Incorrect or neglected trimming could lead to irreversible damage. What is the strategy to avoid this? Get professional help and guidance. This topic is deeper than one might assume, considering the costs of improper handling.
If you're ready to transform your property and secure your tree health, call the number shown in the description. Our expert tree removal and trimming crews are here to help you. Dive deeper into improving your home aesthetics, safety, and value. What's stopping you? Reach out to us today and let's transform your property together. Thanks for watching.